Hello everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to use Wondershare's flexible and cost-free online application which enables you to manage all of your PDF activities in one location. With a few clicks, you can use this tool to modify text, make annotations, highlight materials, convert PDFs to Word documents, and even rotate and arrange your pages. No software needs to be installed because it is entirely web-based. Professionals, students, and anybody else who frequently deals with documents will find it beneficial. Therefore, make sure you watch the full video if you are searching for a quick, easy, and dependable method to manage your PDF files. I will show you each step. So let's get started. You will get the link to this website in the description below. The first step is to log in to your account. You can log in by using your Google account or Facebook account. I am going to log in with my Google account. Once logged in, you can see a lot of features on the left side. Let me walk you through them one by one. Home tab. This takes you back to the main dashboard where you see recent files and quick access options. Annotate. You may use this to write comments, draw shapes, underline text, highlight text, and add sticky notes straight to your PDF. Edit PDF. You can add or remove text, photos, or links from your PDF with this option. Convert. Convert your PDF to Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and even pictures, and the other way around. This feature is ideal for content editing and reuse in many applications. Organize. You can rearrange, remove, duplicate, or add pages to your PDF, perfect for combining files or organizing lengthy documents. Protect. To ensure the security of your PDF, add password protection. To safeguard sensitive material, you can limit editing, copying, and printing. This section also includes AI-powered features like AI Summarizer, AI Translator, AI Rewriter, Content Generator. Perfect for working smarter with your PDFs. Let's try it out. To start the process, I will select Edit PDF and upload a file from my PC. To highlight, just click on Highlight, then select the text you want. You will see the selected text get colored instantly. You can also choose different highlight colors to organize your notes. When you select text, a text box appears around it, meaning the text is now editable. You can type to make changes, delete existing words, or add new sentences, just like in Microsoft Word. You can also change the font size, color, and alignment using the toolbar that appears above. AI PDF Translator. This lets you translate the entire PDF into different language quickly. Just upload your file, choose the target language, and the AI will translate for you quickly and accurately. I will first translate the PDF into English language, and as you can see, the entire content is now in English. Once converted, you can download it as PDF. You can see that it has converted the entire paper into English language. Now I will switch to German, and just like that, the text is instantly translated into German language. Chat with PDF. You can use this function to ask questions regarding your PDF and receive prompt responses. Simply tap questions and upload your file. I posted the question, "What is computer?" for instance. The tool read the entire document and gave a precise and understandable response. Very useful for summaries, brief explanations, and locating particular information without having to read the entire document. Convert. You can convert your PDF to Word, Excel, PowerPoint, or images among other formats. Simply upload your file and choose the format you want. I have chosen Word as the output format in this case. My PDF file will be transformed into an editable Word document with the same formatting and layout as soon as I upload it. Protect. Use a password to protect your PDF. To prevent unwanted access to your document, simply upload it and create a strong password. Actions like copying, editing, and printing can also be restricted, ideal for protecting private information, like the research papers. Organize, split, and merge. Under the organization section, you can split a PDF into smaller sections using the split option. It instantly generates distinct PDFs after you upload your file and select the pages or range. You can merge several PDF files into a single document by using the merge option. Your new merged PDF will be ready in a matter of seconds once you upload the files, arrange them in the correct order, and click merge. That concludes our comprehensive guide. As you can see, this application provides all the features you need in one location, including editing, converting, protecting, translating, and even interacting with your PDFs. For more tutorials like this, please subscribe to the channel and give this video a thumbs up if it was helpful. Thank you for watching this video.